This is the Greater Goods Digital Food Kitchen Scale. Now let's open it up and take a peek. The nice thing about this, it comes with an extra battery too. This is very sleek and compact. It measures 8.1 inches by 6.13 inches by 0.55 inches. It also only weighs 7.5 ounces. This is an ash gray, but they have other colors as well. It measures in grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters too. And it can measure up to 11 pounds. It's perfect for cooking as well as counting calories. So the first thing you're going to do is turn it around and pull the activator tab so it starts working. See, it already started working. Let's test it out. The nice thing about this, it has a zero tab. So after you put your bowl on it, you can zero it out so you can start a new calculation. This is perfect for cooking. Let's measure out some of the carrots that we're cooking for our meal. This came out to 5.2 ounces. Now let's measure our celery. I'm going to zero it out again and measure the celery. Comes out to 5.7 ounces. Takes all the guesswork out of cooking. It's also perfect if you're counting calories. 0.8 of an ounce. Perfect. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.